You have to now negate the following sentences into negative. She has done the shopping. Has ka, the negation will be hasn't or has not. She has not done the shopping. Sam has built a tree house. Sam hasn't built a tree house. Jeff has made pizza. Jeff has not made pizza. They have gone to the park. They have not gone to the park. We have seen the film. We have not seen the film. So it is very easy to make a negative sentence. We can either use any negative word like not or neither or nor or none or no, which will make the sentence into its negative form. The twins have broken the window. The twins have not broken the window. They have stolen the lipstick. They haven't stolen the lipstick. Anne has lost her mobile phone. Anne has not lost her mobile phone. I have learned new words. I have not learned new words. Patsy has cut her finger. Patsy has not cut her finger. Now, these are the contracted forms. Earlier also, when we were doing about the introduction of tenses, we have come to know about the contracted forms. A form of short form or the contracted form. They are asking. They, comma, are asking. They are asking. It is raining. It's raining. I am dancing. It's I'm dancing. She is wearing. It's she's wearing. You are sleeping. You are sleeping. He is repairing. He is repairing. We are playing. We are playing. The same. The pronunciation remains the same, but we can use it in the contracted forms. Now tell me where you can use this contracted forms, students. These contracted forms are usually used in the dialogues. Yes, you have a section 3, that is the writing skills, wherein you are going to use these words as the contracted forms in your dialogues. When the people are speaking, it is called as dialects, and the dialogues will use to have these kind of contracted forms. Which sentence or question is correct? Right. I am reading a comic now. I reading a comic now. I am reading a comic now. I am reading a comic now. The short answer, the correct answer is I am reading a comic now. Yes, you can use the same in the contracted form as I am reading a comic now. The third answer. Right. Which negative sentence is in the present progressive? Now you understand what is present progressive? It is nothing but present continuous tense. Eric does not doing his homework. Eric is not doing his homework. Eric is not doing his homework. Again the same thing. So Eric is not doing his homework is the correct answer. The verb do is converted into doing, but Eric does not doing is not correct. Eric is third person, and you should always use is with it. Therefore, Eric is not doing his homework is the correct answer. In which sentence is the present progressive used correctly? Andrew am washing the dishes. Andrew are washing the dishes. Andrew is washing the dishes. You always know am is and are also called as the simple auxiliaries, and they are used to help the model of the main verb. Right? So am is used with the first person. Andrew becomes the third person. Are is used with the second person, and Andrew is the third person. Therefore, you should use an is with the third person. Now, these are certain blanks which we usually find when you are having your examination. The words in the bracket are the verbs. Now, let me show you the slides. Timmy dashed the picnic basket. Right, answer is Timmy is packing the picnic basket. Again, we dash stand from school. We are collecting the stamp from school. Listen, Pete and Joe dash to scream. Pete and Joe are screaming. Then the cat dash through the window. The cat is climbing through the window. Right. I dash a bath right now. I am having a bath right now. Then look, they dash hands. Look, they are shaking hands. Dennis dash comics with Peter at the moment. Dennis is swapping comics with Peter at the moment. Listen, Angela dash home. Listen, Angela is coming home. I dash to the pet shop. I am going to the pet shop. Now, certain times what happens, what you are doing, the committed mistakes are that you are knowing that to pack is the verb, and what you have to write down as an answer is packing. What you usually do is Timmy packing the picnic basket. But you have to use an say simple auxiliary verb is with the packing, right? So then the answer becomes is packing, or say are doing, or say am doing. Are you getting it? So you have to use those is, am and are along with the verb in the continuous form. Now when we go for the next slide, which sentence is in the present progressive? There are many sentences which are in the different tenses. Here we are going to use something about the present progressive tense. He has read a book. This is in which tense? He has read a book. It is in present perfect tense. He is going to read a book. Again, this becomes in present progressive tense. He is reading a book. He is going to read a book is in future tense, future continuous tense. But he is reading a book is in the present progressive tense. He read a book is very incorrect because he becomes the third person. Along with the third person, the verb will have s or es. Therefore, the verb will have he reads a book. He is reading a book is the correct answer. Right? Now, coming to the next one, negative, we aren't write a test. Very incorrect. We aren't writing a test. We don't writing a test. The answer is we aren't writing a test. We becomes which person? It is the second person. And along with the second person, you have are. Right? Therefore, to make are as a negative, you have to use aren't. So, we aren't writing a test. Which question is the present progressive? Does he sing in the bathroom? Is he singing in the bathroom? Singing, he is in the bathroom. Very incorrect is the last one. Is he singing in the bathroom is the correct answer. Now again, fill in the correct verb forms. I am sending a text message. My friends are watching a new DVD. George is wearing a pullover today. Tom is cleaning the shop. We are making sandwiches. Romy and David are running out of the house. They are doing an exercise. The teacher is checking with his toys. Our class is visiting a museum. Can you see those words which are bold in letters? Those are am, are, is. Now, whenever you're using a progressive tense, you have to use all these words. Right? Coming to present perfect progressive or continuous statements. Now, what is this? આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં બોલીએ આને શું કહેવાય? ચાલુ પૂર્ણ વર્તમાન કાળ. બરાબર? So this tense is having a progressiveness or the continuousness. Along with that, it is also having a perfectness. So the kriya action is already perfectly done, but still the kriya or the action is going on. So this becomes a present perfect progressive tense. In this website, since 1999, the answer is I have been running this website since 1999. My parents dash for years. My parents have been smoking for years. He dashed for his girlfriend since 6 o'clock. He has been waiting for his girlfriend since 6 o'clock. Then say we in Greece since last August. We are living in Greece since last August. Max and Paul are riding their bikes all day. They are lying in the sun for hours. Emily is working on computer for too long. It is raining since I came home. You are listening to music since 12:30. You have been listening. Frank has been dreaming for the last 20 minutes. Now, can you see these are the answers? I'm sending for the text message. My friends are watching. And these are the answers. I've been running. So, you have to use have plus been plus the verb in the continuous form. My parents have been smoking, has been waiting, we have been living, Paul have been riding, they have been lying, Emily has been working, it has been raining, you have been listening, Frank has been dreaming. Negate the given sentence. The children have cleaned their teeth. What is the negation of have? It is haven't or have not. Simon ordered a pizza. Simon did not order a pizza. Matthew looked after the baby. Matthew didn't look after the baby. He has missed the school bus. He hasn't missed the school bus. I woke up at 8 o'clock. I did not wake up at 8 o'clock. You have not understood the text. We have worked in the snack bar. We have not worked in a snack bar. The thief stole the handbag. A thief did not steal the handbag. She has sent an invitation card. She hasn't sent an invitation card. The pupils were in the gym. The pupils were not in the gym. Now, after doing all these negative answers and questions, put in the verbs in the present perfect progressive form, negative sentences like not and to listen. This means that you have to give an answer where you have a negation as well as you have perfect progressiveness. Carl hasn't been listening to the teacher for last 10 minutes. The answer is Carl has not been listening to the teacher for last 10 minutes. The students has not tried to learn the new words. The students have not been trying to learn the new words. Now, coming to this sentence, the students haven't tried to learn. Why you have written have instead of has? Because students is a plural, right? When the subject is plural, the verb will also be in the plural form, and thus there will be have not tried to learn. Kim hasn't done crossword puzzles. The teachers haven't lied in the sun. I have not been sleeping in the last lesson. The doctor has not been examining the patients. They have not been laughing loudly. We have not been phoning the whole evening. My father has not been preparing dinner. Zach has not been dancing the whole evening. Coming to the simple past tense. This is a very simple past tense. We have already learned that the form is very simple and you have to just use the past form of the verb. Coming to the past form. Can you see which is the correct one? We were, you got, we understood, she met, I drank, they spent, she was, you forgot, it did, I was. All these are the correct form of past tense. Which verb forms are correct? Lived, lived, planned, planned, tried and tried. The spellings are changed. L-I-V-E-D lived, planned, P-L-A-N-E-D planned, and T-R-I-E-D tried. They are the correct form of the verbs. Which of the following words are used with the simple past? Signal words. At the moment, in 2002, 2 weeks ago, while, yesterday. Find out which one was the correct. The answers is the correct words in the signal words are yesterday, 2 weeks ago, in 2002. Now, just remember, all these words, these words indicate that the activity is done in the past. Yesterday, the activity is done in the past. 2 weeks ago. So again the activity is already done in the past. In 2002, the last in long back years, right? So now to understand in a sentence that it is going to become a past tense, you have such words which are called as the signal words. Which verb forms are in the simple past? Was, were, played and had. Was, were, played and had. Right. Now, which sentences or questions are in the simple past? The question is, he didn't learn for school. I fell down from the tree. I have found a pen. She was in Hamburg. We were watching a film. Now let me see what is the answers. I fell from the tree. She was in Hamburg. He didn't learn for school, etc. These are the words which are in the past tense, the simple past tense. Forming the questions in the simple past. How they to ride their bikes. Whenever you form a question, I have told you you have to not use do or does. The only word which you use is did. So very easy to make a question in past. How did they ride their bikes? What he to have for lunch? What did he have for lunch? When you to watch the film? When did you watch the film? When Eric to phone his friend? When did Eric phone his friend? So it is very easy. Wherever you have to make a question, you can always start the question whether any person with did, right? So this is very easy. Why did the teacher check the computer? Why did Julia ask questions? Why did Peggy throw? Where did your father repair the kite? Where the boys in the sun? Did the cat run after the dog? Negate this given sentence. Phil talked to his parrot. Phil did not talk to his parrot. It rained yesterday. It did not rain yesterday. She was late in this morning. She was not late this morning. We ran to the tree house. We did not run to the tree house. My brother made a lot of noise. My brother didn't make a lot of noise. And few more. Coming to past progressive or past continuous tense. And in that, the affirmative sentences. Again, the words in the bracket are nothing but the verbs which you are going to use in past tense as well as in the continuous forms. She was playing hockey. The same sentence, if we see in the positive, in the present continuous tense, it will be she is playing hockey. Say, they were swimming in the pool. They are swimming in the pool. Can you see the difference? Are is used with the present continuous tense and were is used with the past continuous tense. It is raining in the present continuous. It was raining in the past continuous. We are listening to music. We were listening to music. The mobile is ringing. The mobile was ringing. So it is very easy to now correlate the present continuous along with the past continuous. The students are writing or to text. It is